Morning, my name is Ade Adewale and I'm a former student of Smart Learning. Before coming to this course, I was from a technical background, but I had a bit of challenges in information security, though I have a bit of idea. But the idea which I have is not enough to get me into the profession. And there's some things which I was able to gain. A friend of mine recommended Smart Learning to me, and on coming on board to the training, I was able to understand that it's not about just having technical knowledge. There are some key skills which is needed within information security to get you into that place, in terms of vulnerability management, the procedure, the processes you have to follow, as well as threat management as well, modeling as well, seeing far ahead before the situation as well. Because in technical background, these soft skills, you cannot be trained, you cannot get it from anywhere. You have to be within that area or get it from someone which has already acquired a background with a wealth of knowledge within information security. Well, when I came to Smart Learning, I was able to learn some soft skill which was able to complement for the technical skill which I've gained already, as well as the understanding of the governance within information security, which is able to drive me into achieving the purpose of information security, as well as combining my technical skills with the information governance to be able to perform the day-to-day task which is required within my field of information security, cyber security. Moreover as well, I was able to gain experience of the auditing with information security, which involves different standards using ISO 270 2005, as well as the older version 2002. Moreover as well, within information security as well, I was able to understand the procedure and process which is necessary for me as a technical penetration tester, which is able to guide me into the procedure which is needed and what is being expected by an auditor for the organization which I work for, to be able to do what is necessary for us to carry out our day-to-day activity. Well, my advice to prospective candidates is that this is not like a normal training which you are being told that you should come for training. I can tell you that on training there is support, and off training as well you gain support as well. And apart from that as well, the benefits that you are given the opportunity to put the things you learn within the environment to practice, whereby you have a remote lab which you can practice all these things, as well as in different areas of information security. This doesn't just cover the governance area, it covers the technical bits as well. For example, I'm from a technical bit, technical background of information security. I was able to implement those skills which I've learned from information security, coupled with my technical skills, to put into practice, whereby using Bob Suite, using Qualys, as well as other areas as well, carrying out auditing. Apart from that, so that I'll be able to put together the things that's necessary for me to be able to excel within information security and cyber security role.
Thank you.